Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your background from your image so that you can create great thumbnails like this for your YouTube channel. The first thing you need to do is upload your image into Figma. So we go to the file, place image, grab the image from your download folder or from any folder on your computer, then click enter. Now you can drop it into Figma. Let me zoom out a bit, space it out. Now in Figma there is no direct way to do this, unlike let's say if you're using Photoshop or something. It's straightforward on Photoshop, but since Figma is not an image editing tool like Photoshop, we use plugins on Figma to do stuff like this. So what you need to do is, first of all, make sure you go to the file, plugins, manage plugins, then this is the plugin that you want, remove BG. So if you don't have it already on your computer, just type it in, remove BG. Then make sure you install this plugin on your computer. Then once it's done, click on this image, go back to the image. Once you've downloaded the plugin, then you want to right click on your image, go to the plugin section here, then go to the plugin that you just downloaded, remove BG, and just run that plugin. But the plugin might ask you to set up an API key. So all you have to do is go on their website. It's going to give you a link once you've downloaded it to go on the website so that you can set up an API link. And then once you've done that, it will bring it back to Figma, and then you will be able to run it so that it will perform the function that you want. So now I'm going to click run, and it's going to wait about 4 to 5 seconds. And there you go, guys. It's not perfect, but it still does a great job. Okay, because like I said, Figma is not an image editing tool, but it still does a great job of knowing where you don't need the unnecessary spaces, because you can, I guess they're using probably AI software to remove the background from the picture, and making sure that it does a good job to trace the areas of my face and my body in the image. So that's what's left. So that's how you remove the background from your image. So thank you for watching.